Hello, my dear friends. In this video I would like to inform the dates of exam, especially candidates who apply for the post of Peon and Lower Division Assistant or LDA in Lokayukta, Meghalaya, Shillong. This department informed that the dates exam for LDA will be held on the 8th of June 2024, and the timing will be scheduled from 9:30 am to 11:30 am. Also, for the post of Peon, dates of exam held on the 8th of June 2024, and the time schedule will be 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Therefore, eligible candidates kindly download your admit card from website http://megrecruitment.nic.in. Also, you can click this link given in the description box below to download your admit card. I hope you are all understand for this important information. So, if you like my video, please share, like and subscribe to my channel for new updates. Thank you.